Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Are you looking for the wash basin designs for the drawing rooms and living rooms? You are at the right place cause here in this video we are going to show you some of the best wash basin designs for the drawing room, living room and so on. Please watch this video complete and after watching do not forget to provide your feedback in the comment box. Wash basins big designs are an important aspect of bathrooms. Using wash basin designs offer a lot of scope to design the bathroom aesthetically. This video includes a list of wash basin designs in the drawing rooms, tabletop wash basin designs and wash basin designs for the living rooms to give you a complete exposure to home decor. So here are the top amazing wash basin designs for you. Home decor should be contrasting and complement the look of the home. So it is very important to decorate it very properly. So that's why we are showing you these amazing designs for your home makeovers. So these beautiful designs, whether this is a habit some of us follow to a fault or our entire lives, or it is something whose benefits some others have only recently discovered, one thing is certain: the bathroom wash basins is a space being used a lot right now. Since it has become important nowadays to properly wash our hands, wash basin area is now a place of importance. And with the ample time on our hands these days, many of us have turned to spring cleaning or home improving projects in our home. So if that served as inspiration for you and you are now ready to give your wash basin a bathroom a makeover by yourself, here are some amazing wash basin ideas that you can place in your drawing room. So please watch this video and share your feedback.